So in this video, we're going to cover odd, even and square numbers. I'm going to start by giving a brief run through of an odd and an even number, and then we'll go into greater depth about square numbers. So an odd number is basically a number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, and an even number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So all we do is we look at the number. So we got 1479. Look at the last number, and if that's 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it's odd. So this must be odd. 2342 ends in a 2, so that must be even. 9360 ends in a 0, so that must be even. And 51123 ends in a 3, so that's odd. So now we're going to look at square numbers, and basically a square number is a number that's multiplied by itself, and it's symbolized with a little 2 just above the number. So this is 4 squared, so 4 squared is the same as 4 times by itself, so times by 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16. So 7 squared is 7 times by itself, which is 49. And then 10 squared is 10 times by itself, which is 100. And in this question you've got 3 squared plus 8 squared, and it's as simple as you work out what 3 squared is, you work out what 8 squared is, and you add it together. So 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 8 times 8, which is 64. 9 plus 64 is 73. So the answer is 73. And here, on a simple scale level, this is 4 squared multiplied by 2 squared, so you just work out 4 squared and multiply by whatever 2 squared is. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16, multiplied by 2 times 2, which is 4. So 4 times 16, I better show the working out for this. So that's 40, that's 24. You add them together, you got 64. So 4 squared multiplied by 2 squared is 64.